If you eat 3 eggs every day, what does it actually do to your prostate and your vitality as a man? Men hear two extremes. Eggs are dangerous, or eggs are a perfect superfood. What matters is what happens inside your body when this becomes a daily habit: hormones, inflammation, and cellular health. Before we get into the steps, tell me where you're watching from. Tap like so this reaches the right people, and share it with one man who needs this. Don't skip number 3. It's the final and most important part of what 3 eggs do to male vitality. Let's get started. Step 1. I'm revealing what 3 eggs actually provide. 3 whole eggs provide a dense package of nutrients the male body uses daily, about 18 to 21 grams of complete, highly bioavailable protein, roughly 400 to 450 milligrams of choline, meaningful amounts of zinc, selenium, vitamin D and B vitamins, antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, healthy fats, and dietary cholesterol used as a precursor for testosterone and other steroid hormones. This combination supports multiple systems at once. Protein supports tissue repair and muscle maintenance. Maintaining muscle improves insulin sensitivity, which helps lower chronic inflammation, a key factor linked to prostate changes over time. Choline supports nerve signaling, liver function, and cell membrane integrity. Research shows consistent egg intake can raise circulating choline levels by over 50%, improving cellular communication and repair processes. Zinc and vitamin D play direct roles in endocrine regulation. When men move from very low-fat diets to balanced fat intake that includes foods like eggs, studies show testosterone levels can rise modestly, often around 10 to 20% in previously fat-restricted individuals. Egg intake has also been associated with increases in HDL cholesterol of about 8 to 12% in many adults, supporting vascular health and circulation, both central to male vitality. Dietary cholesterol here functions as a building block, not a threat. The body uses it to synthesize hormones and maintain cell structure, especially in hormonally responsive tissues like the prostate. Taken together, 3 eggs provide protein, hormone precursors, anti-inflammatory micronutrients, and antioxidants that support metabolic stability, cellular repair, circulatory function, and hormonal balance, all of which influence prostate health and overall vitality over time. Now, here's where this becomes more relevant. Because nutrients alone don't determine outcomes, how the prostate responds is the real story. In step 2, we'll look at what actually happens inside prostate tissue when these nutrients are present consistently. And stay with me for step 3. That's where we connect eggs directly to male vitality, circulation, and hormonal drive, the part most men care about, and the part that's often misunderstood. Step 2. It's about the effect on the prostate. Now, let's be precise. Eggs do not directly cause prostate enlargement. Benign prostate enlargement is primarily driven by DHT signaling, age-related hormonal shifts, and chronic low-grade inflammation within prostate tissue. Eggs do not spike DHT in a pathological way. What they do is supply nutrients the body uses to regulate repair, immune response, and hormone signaling. In a balanced diet, this supports normal tissue maintenance, healthier immune modulation, and lower inflammatory load, especially when eggs are eaten alongside fiber-rich vegetables, healthy fats like olive oil, and adequate hydration to support metabolic processing. But context matters. If eggs are consistently consumed in a diet high in processed meats, refined carbohydrates, excess sugar, and inflammatory oils, the internal environment shifts towards oxidative stress, insulin resistance, and chronic inflammation. And the prostate is highly sensitive to inflammatory signaling. In that situation, the issue isn't the eggs themselves, it's the inflammatory dietary pattern surrounding them. That distinction is critical. So here is the practical instruction for step 2. If you choose to eat 3 eggs daily, combine them with vegetables rich in fiber and antioxidants. Avoid pairing them with processed meats. Maintain regular physical activity to improve insulin sensitivity. Keep overall calorie balance in check. And monitor your metabolic markers, fasting glucose, triglycerides, HDL levels, during routine medical visits. Prostate health responds to the whole metabolic environment, not a single food. If you've stayed with me to this point, it likely means this is helping you understand your health more clearly.
Give the channel a thumbs up and hit the subscription button so more men can access this kind of guidance. Now we move to the part most men care about, because prostate stability is important, but vitality is what you feel every day. And in step 3, we connect eggs directly to circulation, hormonal drive, and sustained male energy, the important piece of this entire discussion. Step 3. Vitality connection. Now let's talk about what most men actually feel day to day. Vitality. Male vitality is driven by circulatory efficiency, hormonal balance, and mitochondrial energy production inside the cells. 3 eggs support these systems in practical ways. Egg protein helps maintain muscle tissue. Preserving muscle improves insulin sensitivity. Better insulin sensitivity supports healthier blood vessels. Healthier blood vessels improve circulation, stamina, and physical performance. That's the chain reaction. Vitamin D supports testosterone regulation. Zinc supports androgen production and reproductive function. Choline supports nerve signaling and brain-to-muscle communication. Eggs also provide B vitamins that assist mitochondrial energy production, how your cells convert nutrients into usable energy. So 3 eggs daily can support vitality, not as a stimulant, but as foundational support for circulation, hormones, and cellular energy. Now, who should avoid or modify this approach? Men with diagnosed familial hypercholesterolemia or severe lipid disorders should not increase dietary cholesterol with medical supervision. Men with uncontrolled diabetes or significant insulin resistance should first stabilize blood sugar control. Anyone with a confirmed egg allergy must avoid eggs. And men with advanced cardiovascular disease should consult their physician before making consistent high cholesterol dietary changes. For the average metabolically healthy man, moderate egg intake is generally well tolerated, but individual response matters. Periodic blood work, lipid profile, fasting glucose, triglycerides helps confirm that your body is responding well. So when should you expect results? Some men notice steadier energy and satiety within the first 1 to 2 weeks as protein intake improves and blood sugar becomes more stable. Circulatory and metabolic improvements typically begin to build over 3 to 6 weeks when eggs are part of a consistent, balanced diet. Hormonal and body composition-related benefits, like improved stamina, muscle preservation, and performance, tend to appear over 6 to 12 weeks, depending on sleep, activity level, and overall nutrition. This is not an overnight effect, it's a compounding physiological response. Here's the practical instruction. Eat eggs consistently, not randomly. Pair them with vegetables and healthy fats. Maintain regular physical activity. Sleep well. Avoid ultra-processed food patterns. Vitality is built from repeated biological support. When circulation, hormones, and energy systems are supported together over time, performance, stamina, and daily drive improve. And that's the real outcome most men are looking for. 3 eggs a day aren't a miracle, and for most men, they're not a threat. They're a practical nutrient source that can support hormone balance, circulation, muscle maintenance, and long-term prostate stability when combined with a balanced lifestyle. Consistency matters more than any single food. If this helped you understand what your body is actually doing, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more clear, medically grounded guidance for men. And comment below, are eggs already part of your routine, or are you